Soy sauce fried rice is one of the countless recipes of stir-fried rice. This one comes from China. This type of recipe is always quick and easy to make, while being rich in flavors. Here, it is the soy sauces that give the dish its particularity. We also enjoy delicious fresh peas. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. 2 hours before making this dish, cook 400 grams of short grain rice. This will give the rice time to absorb all the cooking water. It won't be wet. It will have the right texture for the recipe. Watch it 3 times to remove the starch. The rice will be less sticky. Add 40 centiliters of water and cook it. To marinate 300 grams of pork, cut it in 2 pieces. Put them in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and some ground pepper. Mix all together. Let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Mince 2 green onions. Separate the heads and the leaves. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Cut 200 grams of carrots into small cubes. Shell 500 grams of fresh peas. They'll taste better and have a firmer texture than the frozen ones. Mix the rice to avoid blocks during the cooking. Beat 3 eggs with a little salt. All the cookings are made over high heat. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, put the beaten eggs. Stir for even cooking. As soon as we get pieces of omelette like this, keep them aside. Now, stir-fry the meat with the vegetables. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Put the pieces of marinated pork. Spread them out. Let them grill for 1 minute. Stir them and leave 1 more minute. Then add the carrot, the peas, and the heads of green onions. Stir from time to time for 4 minutes. Keep aside. For the final cooking, put 2 tablespoons of oil. When it's hot, put the rice. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Stir for 3 minutes. The rice will soak up all the flavors of soy sauces. These two sauces have different tastes. The dark will also bring a nice color to the rice. Now put the pork and the vegetables. Stir fry for 1 minute so that all the tastes combine. Put the egg. Briefly mix. Finally, add the green onion leaves and a little pepper. Briefly stir. The soy sauce fried rice is ready. We like eating it with pickled daikon and ginger. Bon appétit! My kids love eating this dish in a dome shape. They'll say the rice is even better. It is magic. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.